If you've ever wondered how to invest in gold but felt overwhelmed by where to start, you're not alone. Gold has been a trusted store of value for thousands of years, but today it can be one of the smartest ways to protect your retirement savings against inflation and economic uncertainty. Right now, with inflation creeping up and the markets looking unpredictable, more retirees are asking, how can I safely add gold to my portfolio without getting ripped off or making a costly mistake? Here's the simple truth. Investing in gold isn't about chasing quick profits or gambling on volatile markets. It's about preserving your hard-earned wealth and giving yourself peace of mind for the future. First, understand the two main ways to invest in gold: physical gold and gold-backed accounts, like gold IRAs. Physical gold means owning coins or bars you can hold, but it comes with storage and security concerns. Gold IRAs, on the other hand, let you invest in gold within your retirement account, combining the benefits of tax advantages and professional custody. But beware, not all gold investments are created equal. Some companies sell overpriced gold or push high fees that eat into your returns. That's why it's critical to work with trustworthy firms who offer transparent pricing and personalized guidance based on your retirement goals. Another key point is diversification. Gold shouldn't replace your entire portfolio, but it acts as a hedge, especially when stocks and bonds underperform. Even just 5% to 10% of your retirement savings in gold can help cushion against market crashes and currency devaluation. Now, you might be thinking, how do I know if a gold IRA or physical gold is right for me? The answer depends on your individual savings, risk tolerance, and long-term plan. That's why a quick educational call with an expert can save you from costly mistakes and scams. Remember, protecting your retirement isn't about flashy tricks or silver bullets. It's about smart, steady moves that honor the decades you worked to build your nest egg. If you have $100,000 or more in your IRA or 401k, there's no better time than now to explore if a gold IRA fits your retirement strategy. You deserve one-on-one education with no pressure, no gimmicks, just clear answers tailored to your situation. Visit our website and get your free gold IRA guide plus a no-obligation consultation. Take that step today to safeguard your retirement and pass on a legacy that lasts generations. You earned this security. Let's make sure it stays that way.